Warga Patisi TV.
Gila dan pun ki Jylla ki belakang no ki Katto kan Tylli ki Dawai Jyrhoh. Hadi ngejingyap ki Khenna Rajasthan, bat Madhya Pradesh nang ada ka Dawai Jyrhoh. Ka Jylla Karnataka kala penmi ki jing penmana shabro ki jaka sumar bekimde ben ai Dawai Jyrhoh ni Dawai sukriat siki Khenna ki ba hapo ka arsnam karta. Kala penmi ya kan ngejing penmana di hadin ngejingyap ki Khenna Madhya Pradesh bat Rajasthan. Kelapin miru ke jing penmana ba omde shu bandang di ke Dawai Jyrhoh ke belakang hakiti ki arti ki Jylla kata ke Cold Reef Syrup batch number SR13 ka sarkar Jharkhand ru kelapin mi ke jing penmana belakang persyak bende ke Dawai Cold Reef Recipe Fresh Battery Life habrok kuwe ke Jylla Jharkhand ka sarkar kala maham baladalap ikinu kinu ki bedi yakini ki lightly ke Dawai Jyrhoh on pijitam ki da ka bating Kiwi ki Jylla ru kum ka Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh, Kerala, Uttarakhand, ba kiwi part kelapin mi lagi juang ki jing penmana. Hadi ngejingyap ki Khenna Rajasthan bat Madhya Pradesh.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Madan Kumar, working as an associate professor in Christian Medical College, Vellore, in Pediatric Respirology Department. My main treatment would be with pediatric lung disorders such as asthma, recurrent chest infection, and then recurrent cough. So the importance of this is if you diagnose it first and if you treat it properly, long term the child will have a normal life. If you are not going to treat the child properly, what happens is the quality of life of the child decreases. That is manifested like not studying properly, not playing properly, and not behaving properly. So when we try to treat these things, the respiratory infections properly, most of the times they get better and have a good quality of life. So I am here to screen the children who have respiratory problem. I will be available in Dr. H. Gordon's Robert Hospital from October 1 to October 15 between 10 to 1 p.m. Thank you.